Ever flicked on the black light at a party and seen those mind-bending, neon-colored playing cards come alive? They're not just for magicians and tricksters. These flashy decks are a great way to add some pizzazz to your next game night, impress your poker buddies, or simply own a piece of eye-catching art. But before you dive headfirst into the world of fluorescent faces and glowing pips, there's one burning question: how much do these neon wonders cost? Well, buckle up card sharks and casual shufflers, because the answer isn't as straightforward as a royal flush. The price of neon cards can vary wildly depending on several factors, and that's exactly what we're here to explore today. So, grab your imaginary deck and deal yourself in as we delve into the neon card price spectrum. Factor number 1, the neon effect: glow up or let down. First things first, there's a world of difference between cards with a simple neon color scheme and cards that actually glow under a black light. Regular neon-colored decks might look vibrant in daylight, but they won't have that electrifying, neon glow. These standard neon decks tend to be on the more affordable side, with prices ranging from a budget-friendly $5 to $10 for a basic deck on online retailers. Now, for the real neon enthusiasts, the decks that come alive under a black light are where things get interesting. These cards utilize special inks that react to UV rays, creating that mesmerizing fluorescent pop. The price for these bad boys can jump significantly, landing anywhere between $15 and $30 for a single deck. Think of it as the premium version of your standard neon experience. Factor number 2, brand power: paying for the name? Just like any other product, brand names can play a role in the price of neon cards. Reputable card companies known for their quality and unique designs might charge a bit more for their neon offerings. These decks can range from $20 to $40, potentially offering special features like custom card backs, unique tuck boxes, or even limited edition prints. Factor number 3, the handmade hustle: craft with a cost. For those seeking a truly one-of-a-kind experience, the world of Etsy beckons. Independent artists and crafters often create custom neon card designs, using unique techniques and materials. The price for these beauties can vary greatly depending on the level of detail, artistry, and materials used. Expect a range of $30 to well over $100 for these handcrafted conversation pieces. Factor number 4, neon novelty sets: beyond the deck. But wait, there's more. The neon trend isn't limited to just cards. For the ultimate enthusiast, some retailers offer entire neon-themed game sets, complete with dice, chips, and even custom playing mats. These comprehensive sets can reach the $50 to $100 mark, depending on the number of pieces and the level of customization. Remember, it's not just about price. Now, before you rush out and grab the most expensive neon deck you can find, remember, price isn't everything. Here are a few additional considerations. Card quality: a flimsy, low-quality deck might not hold up to enthusiastic shuffling and gameplay. Look for decks made with durable materials like plastic or casino-grade cardstock. Design aesthetics: does the neon color scheme complement the card faces? Is the overall design visually appealing? Choose a deck that speaks to your personal style. Functionality: are you looking for a deck for casual games, magic tricks, or simply for display? Consider how you'll be using the cards when making your choice. So, how much should you pay? Ultimately, the price you pay for neon cards comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Do you crave a basic deck for a fun game night? Or are you a collector seeking a one-of-a-kind artistic masterpiece? The good news is, there's a neon deck out there for everyone at a price point that fits the bill. Do your research, compare options, and don't be afraid to get creative. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy shuffling and may your neon cards always glow bright.